One.
Ready?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, shit, my bad. All right, fellas and gals, welcome to a new day of cooking with Chef Churro Mais at, okay, this is Dining Room Morin at Casa Leal. All right? Okay, here it is. Turn off that fucking thing. No, I don't want no fucking music. Turn it off. That'll be the last time. All right, guys. Today, well, we're gonna prepare a chicken to. We're gonna smoke chicken basically. Okay, but we need to make a
Sauce?
basically a seasoning for it, so we can season it, and we could do it from one day to the other. You know, you do it, you season it, and let it. It's the fucking word I'm looking for. God damn it! Shit, I'm old. It's in this fucking seasoning for 24 hours. All right. Can't remember the fucking word, but that's what it fucking basically means. All right. For this special blend, I'm using smoked paprika. Is my face showing up on that
Yes.
video? It better. Okay, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper. If you like it, you know, a little spicy. If not, just fucking yank it out of the ground cumin, ground ginger, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and salt. All right. Now I have a tablespoon and a half a tablespoon, and it's basically I have an empty container that I used. You know, basically when I finished one of these, whichever one it is, I finished it, and basically I just took off the label so I know that this is the special seasonings. And I like to mix mine in a measuring cup with a little beak, because it'll be easier to transfer the seasonings when you get them all together. But anyways, back to, all right, this of salt, you're gonna want to use 1 tablespoon of salt. You don't want to add way too much salt, because then it's just gonna taste salty. Okay. Now this is gonna be I'll do this shit at the very end. Damn it, I spilled salt.
Why do you like
And
salt?
I'm using sea salt in the big chunks, coarse. I don't use iodized salt no more because it's too salty. Bad for you. Sea salt's a little bit more healthier. All right, as a smoked paprika, it's gonna be half a tablespoon, motherfucker. Okay, half a tablespoon. Fucking shit. Fuck. Okay. I'm old. Sorry, guys. Okay. The cayenne pepper. I mean, it's got its own little, you know, to sprinkle. But in this case, you just take it off. Or I take it off because it's mine. I mean, I don't know. You guys can use whatever the fuck you guys want to use. It's up to you. But this is what I use. Okay. Again, if you don't like spicy, get rid of the cayenne pepper. No biggie. The cayenne pepper is just to add some, you know, some spice and taste to that shit. You know, all of them have, you know, to sprinkle some. But no, wrong one. What the fuck is the?
It's in there.
Quiet, camera woman. You don't talk. Okay, son of a bitch. Okay, there it is. Sorry, it's gonna take a while. I mean, if you guys want to do something else, you know, go take a shit, go pee, you know, whatever. But it's gonna take a while, especially when I get to the fucking pepper, cause I gotta fucking twist that shit. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a fucking pain in the ass. You see? Now I'm getting all fucking salty about shit. Because I already ate some of that fucking salt. Fucking beach. Okay. Onion powder. Fuck. Fuck that shit. Salty. Okay. There we go. Oh, it's so much easier. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a bitch. La da dee, la da da, la da dee, da da da. This is taking so much fucking time. I'm fucking my arms, I'm fucking tired. But because some of you people don't know how to fucking cook, I have to learn you. No, you're not fucking people. I just want to make this video fun. Oh, shit. Fuck it. Let's just assume it's fucking half a tablespoon. Okay? Now, we're going to mix it in here, so whenever we send it into here, you know, it's already mixed. You don't have to mix it anymore. Fucking smells good. All these fucking spices together. Smell it. Smells good, huh?
Yeah.
Damn right it does. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. Once it's mixed in, like I said, you know, just use this to, you know, throw it in here. Yeah, I didn't mean you fucking people that don't know how to cook. It's more of a, I was asked by somebody to, you know, show how to cook. I'm not gonna mention names, Carla, but I'm more focused into making the video funny. I mean, yeah, cooking's awesome, but I think my main focus is fun and cooking second. You know, for those who know me, know I love to fucking joke. And if I'm talking shit to you, it's because I respect you. It's because I like you. I mean, seriously. Would you talk shit to a stranger for no fucking reason? No. Why? Because they can kick your ass. I don't want to get my ass kicked. You know what I'm saying? But, like I said, I talk shit to friends and family. Those who I like. If I don't like you, I ain't gonna talk to you. I ain't gonna say shit to you. So keep that in mind. All right, we got this finally what it looks like. Let me go ahead and set up the chicken. You know, how we're gonna season it, how we're gonna do the shit that we're gonna do. And then I'll show you how to season the chicken, how to do that, how to prepare it for tomorrow. Okay, so for right now, I guess this is it. I mean, if you got other things that you want to take off as far as the seasonings, or you want to add lemon pepper, or you want to add, other types of shit, by all means, go for it. But as of right now, this is what I got. This is what I'm playing with, and still like that, it's fucking delicious. Yeah, and I can tell you because my mama said it was delicious. So if my mama said that it's delicious, then I know it's delicious. It's like when she's telling me that I'm pretty. My mama says I'm pretty, and I'm pretty, goddammit. So, in a couple of minutes, we're gonna go ahead and go to the kitchen, and we're gonna prepare that chicken so it could. I still don't know what the fucking shit is called. But yeah, we're just basically gonna let it season all night. Marinate! There we go. So we can marinate in seasoning.
You scared me.
I don't give a fuck about you. Marinate, yes. So it can marinate in its own seasonings overnight. God damn it, I got it right. I'm not that old. Pause that shit. All right. It's been a while. But we'll just continue. Let's continue with the video. So right now, what we have. Come on here. We're gonna have our delicious chicken. Okay, it's a whole chicken, a whole one. Okay, I have it sitting on a strainer for, I've had it in there for about 2 or 3 hours, more or less. Make sure whatever water is gonna spill out that needs to be spilled out. Make sure that we take it out of the bag, rinse it with some water. Take its excessive yucky stuff that it has, and then you let it sit for about 2-3 hours. Just make sure all the water drips, because you want to have it as dry as possible. Now right now it's just the little last part of it. So I'm just gonna grab some paper towels, some hand paper towels, to clean this shit. You just gotta wipe it down, get rid of the. Make sure you use. If you have money, I guess, buy the good brand, because this one, I bet if it was toilet paper, it would get stuck in your ass. But right now we're just gonna tap it dry. With like I said, this is the only hand paper towel that I could use, that I can afford right now. So, throw it away. And now, I like to use gloves, although it's not necessary, but I like to use gloves when handling chicken, because it is said, I don't know how true it is, that chicken has a lot of bacteria. Supposedly, I don't know how true that is. I've eaten chicken my whole life, and I've never gotten sick because of chicken, but it is what it is, all right? So, oh, fuck. It's ready, okay? So, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take your chicken, put it right here, and you want to cut off whatever excess fat that it has, because really it's not too healthy. But if you like it, you like it. It's up to you, man. I don't give a fuck. You like whatever you like. That's what it is. But me, I like taking off.
Oh, I heard
fat.
that. Did you hear that crack?
Yeah.
It was so weird.
It was bone. I was taking off bone.
Exactly.
Yes.
That's why I heard the crack. And
Yeah. Why would you think that it's fucking weird? You're fucking weird.
It sounded weird.
Okay. Just like I said, excessive skin, excessive fat. It's really not
Necessary.
healthy, So what I like to do is, you see the skin right here, I like to not remove it, but basically just kind of take it off from the breast. You know, just detach it, and I'm gonna tell you in a couple of minutes why. Okay, right now all we gotta do is just flip that bird over, spread the legs, you know, check its cavity, make sure that there's nothing in there, you know. Ooh, the heart.
What the heck?
Okay. You make sure you put your finger all the way in there. Make sure that there's, like I said, there's no. Oh my goodness, my hand fits in there. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Now after you're done, check in there. Okay, it's all good. Now
Looks like a dog.
I have taken out some butter, and you know we're just gonna rub it all over.
Did you say the heart?
No, it's not the heart.
Oh, good.
Okay, so we're just gonna rub it all over. Okay. Smack that ass, smack that ass, smack that ass. Okay. And then, fuck. The seasoning. You add some of that shit. You know. Put some in. 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 Okay. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip it over, okay, like so, and then again you're gonna get some of this butter. You're gonna lift the skin up, throw it in there, you know, just make sure it gets all in there, and then you put some more at the top, in between the wings, you know, spread the legs, and you know, throw some in there, okay. And like so, and like so, and like so, just all over. Okay, now again, throw some seasoning in it. Some seasoning, some seasoning, some seasoning. Oh, fuck! Slippery. Slippery when wet, people. Slippery when wet. Okay. Season that motherfucker. You want to get it as much as you can everywhere. You know.
Yeah, everywhere on the
shit very
floor.
well seasoned. So it'll be more delicious. I mean, if you can get in there, throw some seasoning in there. Go for it. You know. Inside the. Okay. I mean, that looks about good.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what you want to do is, you want to be able to get a cacerola. Oops. Ah, fuck. Well, that was nasty. Okay. What the fuck? The hell is this plate doing here, Eliana?
It wasn't me.
Ah, what the fuck it was you? It was you.
It wasn't.
The plate's going in the fucking cupboard. Anyways.
Do you think I reached there?
Fuck yeah.
No.
Mira cacerola. Just give it a good rinsing. Make sure it's clean. And make sure you get your paper hand towels.
You're wasting it.
And you can dry your cacerola. Because you're going to let this chicken marinate. Yeah! I remember. You're going to let it marinate basically the whole night. Okay? Okay. Oh, this is butter that was dripped off the chicken. Pour it right back in there. Then what you want to do is foil paper. There we go. Grab some foil paper. And you want to cover this motherfucker.
Cover.
Cover that shit. Okay. And there it is. That's all you do.
Voila.
And you put it in the fridge. And you let it marinate, from one day to the other. And I guess because I don't have a fancy camera. I don't have fancy software. There's gonna have to be a part 2. Or maybe
Thinking pose.
this is gonna be a part. Well, it doesn't have to be a part 1. It's just a way to marinate chicken. It doesn't have to be a whole chicken. If you're making, chicken on the grill, use that same type of fucking seasoning. I mean, if you got it, just saying. Just season it, let it rest for about 2 hours. Then you grill that motherfucker. But in this case, I like to let that bitch marinate from one day to the other. You get all the flavors of everything. Just let the chicken soak that shit. And then tomorrow, we're going to light up the can. And we're going to smoke that bitch.
Yeah.
Not that kind of smoke.
No.
But we're going to grill it and we're going to kill it. No, first we kill it, then we grill it. Okay? I'm going to smoke that bitch tomorrow. I'll make a video of that bitch tomorrow while it's smoking. I'll tell you the instructions on that shit. Alright. So, you could say this is the part 1. But if I don't want to label it as part 1, then fuck you. If you don't like it. If not, come on back! Anyways. Yeah. I'll probably post this shit tonight. And I'll let you figure out how it's going to come out tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright. So, there it is. I'm out for tonight. This is my camera woman. Turn the camera and say good night. Turn around. Okay. Say good night.
Good night.
Now, put it back to me.
It is already on.
Oh shit, my bad. This is Chef Churro Mais. Now I'm on Cocina Morin. Because I'm in the kitchen. But I'm still at Casa Leal. That's not going to change. Nowhere near in the near future. But it is what it is. Peace.